I state your name. Do solemnly pledge before God, in the presence of this assembly, to give my utmost respect and loyalty to those entrusted under my care, regardless of creed, color, or age. To serve with affection and give due consideration to human limitation. I will be gentle with young, patient with the elderly, and cheerful to the sick and disabled. I pledge to be a proactive and productive companion, making homes clean and pleasing, making meals healthful and satisfying, making my employers contented and delighted. I will be inspiring, creative and courageous caregiver. I will be a source of encouragement and practical ideas, and will do the extra mile to fulfill my duty. I will continually improve myself. I will master my craft and remember to always have a healthy body, healthy mind, and renewed spirit. I will never stop learning and growing as I take care of myself. Above all, I will give my very best to this divine calling, to be of service to my fellow men. So help me God.